edge panel is missing in Samsung Galaxy phone after one UI 16 update. So this is the problem which many people are facing. And first of all, I will show you in the settings. I have updated this. So I will go to settings of my phone. I will click on about phone, and after that I will go to software information. You can see one UI version 6.0. So this I recently updated my phone. So what an edge panel is missing, so what I will need to do, I need to go to settings of my phone. This is the settings of my phone, because I can see you can see go to display. You can see there's an option of edge panel. I need to turn it on again and again. So this is the main problem. I can turn it off, and I can turn it on, it is showing, but whenever I restart my phone it comes back, and it sometimes create a problem. So I want it permanent solution. So in settings there's an option of apps. So let me open apps, and in apps you need to click on this option, and here, and you need to click on this show system apps. So just turn uh, this option on and click on OK. Now you can search here edge panel, and it will show edge panel. So make sure to turn it on. So this is the edge panel app information is showing here. So herein you need to follow these instructions. You need to set this as app as default, and you need to open supported links. You need to turn it on first of all. Okay. So you just need to click on this force stop here and click on OK. So make sure to do it, and after that restart your phone, and then it will work perfectly fine, because sometimes this problems creates, and you need to again click on this storage option here, you can see, and click on clear cache and clear data. Click on delete. So delete this thing, and after that you can go to mobile data, and you need to follow this instruction, allow background data use. You can turn this option off. So I don't want background data. So these three and four things you need to do, and after that restart your phone, and each panel will work perfectly fine for you. I hope friends now you will be able to do these settings. If you still face any problem, you can comment below, and you can share your experience about these steps. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.